I've finished going through and putting, I've put all the biscuits in place now, ready to go. Now, the other thing that I've done, just to make sure that it's all going to fit together, when it was all dry, I went through and I just numbered the sides. So you can see that I've got number two there's lined up with 2. If I go over to this one, I've got number 4, I've got number 4, and then I've done the same over here. So this is number 3, and I've got a number 3 on the side, so that when I start putting this together, it's going to all line up. What we're trying to do whenever we assemble is to make sure that we're working as cleanly as possible. We're going to have glue going all over the place if we're not careful. So we just try and maintain a healthy balance in how we go through and apply the glue, the process of putting it together.